gonna be absolutely stunningly gorgeous. Mamma mia. To me, it's the pesto that does it. It's just like falling in love all over again, but with your ingredients. It's absolutely divinely gorgeous, just like you. Ingredients. Today, I want to share a very simple recipe that I have completely created from scratch to make for this holiday season. We are creating a turkey meatloaf Italian style. We're going to use the food processor where we make all the turkey base. We're going to create a gorgeous meatloaf, very simple to make, all in one for the holiday season. Now, why do I like this? Because it's simple, it is quick to make. Obviously, it's going to go into the oven and be baked in the oven, but the procedure of making it itself is so quick. Let me show you a few steps, gorgeous ingredients, a great cheesy filling paired with some Italian ham, and it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. First thing to do is the breadcrumbs. For this specific recipe, I'm using millet bread. We're making it gluten-free, just for a change. You see, we made fresh breadcrumbs. We set it aside because we don't really know how much we want to use yet until I see the consistency. Should be about 3 tablespoons, but you know, we might need more. Now, in this same container, we put all of the ingredients in. We've got ground turkey. I'm gonna put half of a zucchini in, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, a scrunch of pepper, Parmigiano Reggiano. Now we do about 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Little more breadcrumbs. See, it really depends also on the size of your egg. We use a slightly larger egg today, so it's gonna need a little bit more breadcrumbs to make it the perfect consistency. Let's get some parchment paper, a sprinkle of extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle of breadcrumbs. Our meat is gorgeously ready. It goes here at the center. We're going to create a rectangular shape and flatten it down. So the measurement for these are 12 inches by 7 for half an inch of thickness. Now we fill it up. Now we've got fontina, strips of gorgeous thick fontina cheese. That's gonna go in the filling. So we're filling the inside with 1 inch of space, leaving it 1 inch of space from the edges. I am using prosciutto cotto italiano. Cooked prosciutto, cooked ham. A great alternative could be cooked ham or roasted ham with that little, honey roasted, nuttiness to it. I love it. Whatever cooked ham you got, I think you cannot go wrong. It's really a personal flavor, personal preference. And I want a thick layer. I don't want like a thin. Whatever you have in the middle is gonna show. So you want nice and thick. So we're done with this. In the center, I want these chunky pieces of cheese. I'm gonna go from here. Now, nice chunky pieces of cheese. This is the most satisfying part. Okay, now you really want to seal every opening before it goes into the oven. This is the bottom. Now we flip it. Woo! Gorgeous. An extra sprinkle of breadcrumb. A sprinkle of extra virgin. Okay, you want to keep the parchment paper on it while it bakes. So we're going to close the ends, leave a little bit of the opening you see here. And now in the oven for 35 minutes at 390 Fahrenheit. And now that our gorgeous turkey meatloaf is baking, I'm going to create a little pesto sauce to top it off with. This is truly a pasta queen signature spin on your classic turkey celebratory things that you do here. Pecorino. I'm adding balsamic vinegar, aged, nice and thick. Just 1 teaspoon, a teaspoon and a half. And this is our topping sauce. And of course we made Nonna's roasted potatoes, which we have also attached here in this space. So you can make both. Now let's add them in. It's like little turkey rolls of extra flavor, pleasure, everything together. Like you bring them to the table. You have to section them. Why? Because people love this so much, they'll get a little greedy, okay? So you need to make portions. And now this is how I would serve it. You remember that gorgeous pesto base with balsamic vinegar? We're going to make it as a base and then put the turkey gorgeousness on top. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. Wow. You know, it's incredible how something so simple can come together. And it's so extra special. To me, the pesto elevated it as an experience because, you know, when you're taking a little piece, then you dip it in the pesto and then you bite into it. Listen, let's just, you know, compose ourselves. This is a smashing dish. Please make it. Send it to me. Let me know how it came out and see you next week. And let's have merry holidays.